Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and today I have a very exciting video. Today I'm going to be starting my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to have some more information on that coming up in just a second, so please stay tuned. I'd like to first start off by saying thank you. I still cannot believe how much this channel has grown over the last year. I have recently just had my first 1-year anniversary, and I still cannot believe that my channel has grown up to 5,000 subscribers, and it is amazing to see how interactive my channel has become. I really enjoy reading all the comments that everyone leaves and trying to respond to them individually. I really like trying to interact with all of the people that watch my videos and just try to keep it fun and interactive. I'd like to thank everyone that has helped support my channel by subscribing, sharing, liking, clicking the bell, and just in general trying to keep the channel very active and very fun. I would also like to thank some of the people that have been able to help support my channel in a unique way by donating through my PayPal link and even donating items for my giveaways to help keep their value up and make them more consistent and a lot better. I love to be able to help give back to the community, and I think being able to do some good giveaways is a great way to do it. So what we're going to do today is I have my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to show you some of the items and some of the ground rules for entering in just 1 minute. Alright, so what I'd like to do first is to start off with what are you going to be entering to win, and we're going to go over some of the ground rules in just a moment. So this giveaway I'm having focused as a giveaway that will help you get started in your Lock Sport journey. It's going to almost be a Lock Sport starter pack. So the first thing I'm going to include is this really awesome pinning mat that was sent to me by Briarberry Cove. This pinning mat's from Key Craze, and it is a really great mat. It has everything that you'll need to keep yourself organized when you're working on your first lock. This pinning mat has many different spots for you to keep all your pins organized. You can keep your springs organized, and you can put your pickle fork right over here. When you're first starting out, you can really get overwhelmed and afraid you're going to lose something, and this whole mat just breaks it down well. You have a section for all your pins and springs, all your cylinders, your shims, miscellaneous parts, just everything you're going to need. This is going to help you be more successful. Now, when you have a great pinning mat and you're first starting out, you're going to need some complementary items. So the next thing I'm going to include is this quick set key and knob cylinder. This is a great lock for someone to first learn on. It is very easy to work on, and it's a very easy lock to just learn all these concepts and really help you visualize and comprehend what's going on. So in order to facilitate that, what I am including is a miniature repinning kit tailored towards quick set locks. This pinning kit comes with 5 of each key pin, 1 through 6, so you'll be able to play with the key bitting in any way that you would like. And then I'm going to include 5 extra standard pins, 10 spool pins, 10 serrated pins, 10 T-pins, and a random amount of steel springs. So you're going to really be able to customize this lock and allow it to grow with you. What's really great about quick set locks is they are easy to work on. They have a really open keyway, and they are just a really user-friendly lock when you're first starting out. So in order to get started, you now have your pins, but you're also going to need some picks to be able to understand how to pick a lock. So I'm including this Security Pro set that comes with some very good picks that will help you get started. These aren't the highest quality picks, but they do work very well. I've opened up American locks with them, and they really do get the job done. They can use a little bit of finishing work, but these picks, I think for the amount they cost, they do an excellent job at being able to have you get started. When you're first learning, you're often a little bit heavy-handed, and you don't want to be starting off on expensive picks because you'll probably bend them and break them. It'll just become an expensive thing to keep replacing. So what you have on this set is a good spread of hooks. You have this little funky wavy pick, which is a dimple rake, which has mixed success, but everyone always wonders what this pick is. You probably won't use these too much, but for tensioning options, we have this Z bar here, and then we have this top of the keyway tensioner hiding in the bottom of the bag. Now you can get more tension wrenches online pretty easily if you want to get some more traditional top of the keyway tensioners or some bottom of the keyway tensioners. Those will be very easy for you to get to add to this collection. So once you start to learn to pick this quick set lock, the next logical step I always find is to work on a Schlage lock. A Schlage lock has a little bit more of a difficult keyway to learn on, and it is the next logical step. So all of the driver pins in this repin kit are compatible with Schlage. They will be able to be used for you to upgrade this lock and be able to make it more difficult as you want to start dabbling into some more security pins. So the only thing that won't work on this kit is the key pins, because those are not the correct depths for the key bitting on a Schlage lock. You could certainly put them in, but you would never be able to get a key made correctly for this lock if you were to use them. But between this quickset and Schlage lock, you're going to have a lot of customized options to be able to grow as a lock picker. The final thing I'm going to include is this plug follower to help you be able to take this lock apart very easily, and also this little lock. It's a 4-pin lock that is come all apart. So you're going to learn to put this lock back together, and it'll just help you be able to visualize and conceptualize how a lock is. You'll have to look at all the pins, try to figure out which pin goes where, and I just think that this is a really cool little thing for you to work on. This lock does not have a key, but it's a 4-pin little lock, and it shouldn't be too much trouble for you to work on. So this is what I have for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I still cannot believe that over the course of a year, my channel has been able to grow from 0 subscribers all the way up to 5,000. It still is mind-blowing to me how much support I'm getting by all the comments and how active the channel is. I really enjoy being able to read everyone's comments and being able to respond individually and just trying to keep the channel a lot of fun. I'd like to thank everyone again that has helped support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, clicking the bell, and just making the channel very active and a lot of fun to run. Thank you again to everyone that has helped support my channel in a unique way by donating through my PayPal link and just donating items in general for my giveaways. Being able to increase the value of my giveaways is a really great thing, and I think it is really to the heart of the Locksport community to be able to give back. I think giveaways are a great way to keep our community going forward and keeping it a close niche community. The Locksport community is the most genuine, honest, and welcoming community I've ever been a part of, and I still cannot believe how nice and trustworthy and honest everyone has been that I have dealt with. I've never had a problem with anyone, and the Locksport community is so much fun, and I just really hope that we can keep driving that thought going and just keeping our community the way it has been. It is so much fun to be a part of it, and I thank everyone for being part of it. So what I'm going to do now in just a moment is we're going to go over some of the ground rules on what you need to do to be able to enter and be qualified for this giveaway. Alright, so let's go over a few rules in order to qualify to enter to win this giveaway. The first thing you need to do is be a subscriber of this channel. So in order to win, please be a subscriber. I am still so amazed to see how much this channel has grown, and I just want to thank everyone again for all the support they have given me. It is really amazing to see where this channel was a year ago and where it is today. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. The next thing is you need to live within the United States, so please make sure your shipping address is within the United States if you're going to enter. The next thing I need you to do is please leave a comment below indicating very clearly that you are interested in entering. And the next thing you need to do on top of that is just please give me a little blurb on why you're interested in entering, like where are you in Locksport, what are you working on, what are your interests, are you looking to get started, have you been doing Locksport for a while. I'm just very curious to see where everyone's at and just being able to interact with all the subscribers. It's a lot of fun, and I just like learning about some of the people that help support this channel. And the next thing is, once this video is posted, I will leave it up for 1 week for entries. So once that week has passed, no more entries will be counted, and then I will randomly select a winner, and I will post that video as soon as possible after that. Once I post my video, letting you know who won. You have 1 week to respond, letting me know that you saw that you won. And as long as you can meet all the conditions that we have talked about before, you'll be a valid winner, and I will be able to get this out to you. In order to reach out to me within that week time frame, I ask you to please email me at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com, and then we will be able to set up how I can get this out to you. So thank you again, guys, for being able to support my channel and just make it so fun. Thank you to everyone that has helped support my channel by liking, sharing, clicking the bell, keeping it interactive. It is so fun to be able to run this, and I thank everyone once again. So this is all I have for you today. This is my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope you guys like it, and I wish everyone luck that enters. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much.